Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the best coffee gadgets on the market. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the TIMEMORE Chestnut C3 Manual Coffee Grinder S2C Burr Inside Portable Hand Coffee Mill Grinder with Double Bearing Positioning. This little beauty is a game changer for any coffee enthusiast. First off, let's talk about the quality. The TIMEMORE Chestnut C3 is meticulously crafted with precision and excellence in mind. The burr inside ensures a consistent grind size, allowing you to extract all the flavors from your coffee beans. Plus, the double bearing positioning makes grinding effortless and smooth, giving you a perfect cup of coffee every time. Now, let's discuss the convenience. This manual grinder is portable and easy to use, making it the perfect companion for travel, camping, or simply enjoying a fresh cup of coffee at home. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand, and the construction is durable and built to last. And if you're someone who values the process of preparing their coffee, the TIMEMORE Chestnut C3 is a must-have. There's something truly satisfying about hand grinding your beans, and the results speak for themselves. Your coffee will taste better than ever. So, if you're ready to take your coffee game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the TIMEMORE Chestnut C3 Manual Coffee Grinder S2C Burr Inside Portable Hand Coffee Mill Grinder with Double Bearing Positioning. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Join me in experiencing the joy of freshly ground coffee every day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more coffee tips, reviews, and recommendations. Happy brewing, friends!